The best way to show up on page 1 of search engines. What is the best way for a bankruptcy law firm to show up on page 1 of search engines? Although there are 10 ways to be seen on page 1 of search engines, as discussed in earlier articles and videos, we are focusing on the best 4 in this series of publications. Listed in the order of how it shows on the page. LSAs Local Service Ads is seen as number 1 on the page, which is pay-per-call, and works within about 30 days. Number 2 is PPC, the sponsored ads, which brings results right away, depending on how much you spend. No waiting time, except to craft your ad, although tracking and expense are not well documented, and can be difficult and unnerving. Number 3 is SEO, which everyone should strive for, but not wait for the 4 to 6 months to show up on page 1, during which time, you must employ one or more of the other options. We've already discussed the pros and cons of these in prior articles. Since you have shown an interest in consuming the previous few articles on the subject, now you can learn the secret strategy, the absolute best way to show up on page 1 of search engines in both Google and in Bing, and is available to any business anywhere in the world and for far, far less than SEO or PPC ads, and all done for you with no mess, no fuss, and no waste of your time or mounting frustration at the prospect of seeing disappointing results. It is a way to optimize your site to such a great degree that the search engines make your company and website a suggestion or an auto-suggestion in the search bar drop-down way before anyone else has a chance to even be seen. What makes search box optimization one of the absolute best ways to show up on page 1 is that you don't stop with just showing up, but can actually pretty much occupy and monopolize the entire page, because what you have to share is deemed super relevant by the search engines themselves. This makes you trustworthy and easy to select straight from the search bar drop-down. There are some tricks to accomplishing this end. So far, with our partners, we have helped hundreds of businesses achieve this superstar status, utilizing search box optimization marketing and auto-suggest marketing, where the search engine is actually recommending you. Advantages. 1. You save on paid ads. 2. Instead of 3 or 4 lines on page 1, with LSAs, PPC or SEO, with search box optimization, you get a lot more real estate for your money, as we get our clients often the whole entire page of real estate on page 1. 3. Less expensive than other forms of advertising or page 1 strategies. 4. Wipes out the competition, as you get seen and clicked on before anybody else ever has a chance to show up. 5. Best lead generation for your money. 6. Gets you far more leads and far better results, as 71% of us tend to click on these suggestions and recommendations by the search engines. 7. You can rest easy, knowing all is well, and that you will always have a constant, continuous flow of leads, as long as the opportunity lasts. Disadvantages. 1. Subject to fickle algorithms. 2. We don't know how long the programs will last. 3. Not many agencies know how to accomplish this goal. At the moment, exclusive to us and our partners. 4. Once the keywords are reserved by you, they are not available to the competitors, which is good, and not available to you if the competition reserves the keywords before you do. 5. It does take 4 weeks to begin seeing results, and about 6 months to complete, just as with SEO. But can you start seeing results starting as early as 4 weeks, and don't have to wait 6 months as can happen with SEO, to reap the rewards? This is search box optimization, or autocomplete, which is our secret weapon to get our clients maximum exposure at minimum expense. Connect via LinkedIn or text us to know more. You can also get more information at sboexpertly.com and request to see the videos to get a better grasp on the subject, so you can decide how this can skyrocket your leads and sales. Stay connected with us for updates. Subscribe to the playlist and share with your business owner friends who will appreciate your kindness. On behalf of Dr. Raj, this is Olivia, signing off. Thank you for watching.